backpack. Did you throw a smoke?
What?
Did you throw a smoke or a grenade? Fuck's sake, man. I swear to God. If that was a cop, I'd have fucking flipped my shit. Where the fuck do you even get grenades? You spat.
It's a perk.
Oh, that's shit. And what did you do? Like, fuck all or? Oh shit.
What the fuck?
No, that's cops, that's cops.
Out the car with your hands up. Out the car with the hands up, you'll be shot. Out the car with the hands up, you'll be shot.
Alright, fucking get in. No mate, get in the car, get in the car, get in the truck. Get in the truck, get in the truck!
Killed one.
Good job, mate. Alright, I've got 800 key.
I've got a mil and a bit.
Oh, reload in the fucking car, come on, come on, come on.
Come to me, come to me.
Yeah, come. I'll get fucking pinged at. Yep, one wheel out.
Fuck, man.
Fuck me. No, still fine, but it's swerving. Yeah, 2 cops on me. One on me.
Fragged another, fragged another.
One on me. One wheel out. He's gonna come, he's driving past.
Got another one.
Right, good job. One cop up the hill.
Got another one.
Good one. Fuck's sake, how'd you frag
Got another one.
Fuck's sake, stop it!